Hi guys, it's my first day of school today and I'm kind of nervous, but I overcome my fear and I drove here going to our school. Oh, look at that! Oh, diba? Diba? And I'm kind of excited because eh, I love studying and I really like learning more and I think it's gonna be a big help for me right now. Well, also with my language because the Danish language is kind of um hard, but yeah, to get through that.
Hi guys! So ito na nga, tinur kami ng teacher namin dito sa department wherein kinakatay nila yung mga pigs, yung mga baboy. So, ayan, malaki nga tong school na 'to at dito pwede kang mag-aral ng yung mag-aalaga ng yung carer, mag-aalaga ng matatanda, ta's magkakatay ng mga baboy, yung production operator and everything. Ta's ito yung saan nila kinakatay yung mga baboy. Tas dito naman, ito yung department wherein pwede kang kumuha ng pedagogisk or pedago. Kasi tinuturo na naman kami, tapos ito yung kung saan nila binibenta yung mga nakatay nilang baboy. Ayan, yung mga fresh food tsaka meat. So, yun lang guys. Have a great day. Bye!